I rolled out from Poland, chasing the southern sky, through Slovakia's mountains, where the roads run high. Hungary burned me under the noonday flame. 1 kilometer pushing, empty tank, heavy frame. But kindness found me down in Novi Sad. Vera's door was open, her smile made me glad. Serbian roads were calling, but fate pulled me down. Near the border with Montenegro, my bike hit the ground. Hey, la, 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 la. 3 shops turned away, said no hands today. But across the line, Bijelo Polje, I found my way. Off-road Team ST, flesh and blood on the street. Big stock riders lifted me back on my feet. No money, just spirit, they carried me through. That's the brotherhood.